The urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Crawford, and Richland. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for central Richland County, west central Ashland County, southeastern Crawford County, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Crestline, or 11 miles east of Bucyrus, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Ontario around 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mansfield around 7:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lucas, North Robinson, Mifflin, and Phillipsburg. The urgent